Part 1. Make more free storage space to update iPhone. If the iPhone won't update issue is caused by lacking of available storage space on iPhone, you can fix the issue simply by making more free space for upgrading your iPhone. For reference, iOS update usually needs about 750-800 megabytes free space on iPhone. Open your iPhone and tap Settings General iPhone Storage. When you are on iPhone storage page, you are able to check how much available space and how much use space on your iOS device. If there is not enough space for update, you can easily update your iPhone by cleaning junk files and unneeded files from your iPhone, or through transferring media files from your iPhone to computer or other safe place for storage. Part 2. Fix iPhone won't update via different network to access update server. If you cannot reach the update server or cannot verify the update while trying to updating your iPhone, you might receive one of the messages from your iPhone. Unable to check for update. An error occurred checking for a software update. Unable to verify update. iOS failed verification because you are no longer connected to the internet. If so, try to use another available network. And if the issue still happens again after that, just remove and download the update again. Go to Settings General Storage and iCloud Usage Manage Storage. Under the Manage Storage page, find and tap the iOS update from the apps list. Then delete the update. Go to Settings General Software Update and download the latest iOS update. Part 3. Fix iPhone won't update by restoring iPhone via iTunes. If you cannot see the update on your iPhone or the issue still happens after you fix it with the above methods, you can restore your iPhone and update it to the latest iOS with iTunes. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to a computer with a USB cable and launch the latest iTunes on it. Step 2. When your iPhone has been connected, you might now force restart your iPhone first. For iPhone 6 seconds and earlier, iPad, and iPod Touch, you might long press the home and sleep or wake buttons simultaneously. Don't release the buttons when you can see Apple logo on the screen. Just keep holding the two buttons till you can see the recovery mode on the screen. For iPhone 7 7 Plus, you might long press the sleep or wake and volume down instead the home buttons concurrently. And the other steps are the same. Step 3. When you receive the message from iTunes, asking you to restore or update, just select update. Then iTunes might download the software and reinstall the iOS without erasing your data on iPhone. Step 4. Finishing the process, you might start to set up your iPhone. Part 4. Best method to fix iPhone won't update without data loss recommended. If you are worried about losing or damaging data with the above solutions, or you are not sure if you can fix the issue by yourself, you can use iOS System Recovery to automatically fix the iPhone won't update issue. Step 1. Run the program on your computer and make your iPhone connected to PC with USB cable. Then click More Tool iOS System Recovery on the interface to continue. Step 2. Then the program might detect the problem of your iPhone and show the possible issues that your iPhone may have. For example, iPhone won't update, stuck on Apple logo, recovery mode, error 27, screenshot not working and etc. Simply hit the Start option to continue. Step 3. After that, you will be asked to confirm your iPhone information. If it is right, just hit the Repair option to begin the fixing process. If not, select the right one and then hit the Repair option to fix iPhone won't update issue. To fix your iPhone, the software might automatically detect the current version of iOS on your iPhone, and then download and install the latest firmware on your iPhone. Just wait for finishing the process.